Oh, look, here it goes.
That's what I mean. See, they're sort of ready.
He's had a little bit, or she's had a little bit, whatever. Yeah. Oh, he's going to pose. Oh my God! He's put his little bum up in the air.
Yeah, as they do.
You ain't got it all, have you?
Yeah. Just made the other one a little bit mucky, but
I have to clear him up in a minute.
Clean him up. Right, are you ready for your little food then? Oh, that's better, isn't it?
They put their little bums in the air, don't they?
Yeah, because that's what the parent birds do, isn't it? There we go.
The other one's getting ready for it. He seems to be getting ready.
Yeah. Come on then. Come on. This one's, come on. Ah, it's better. Oh, that's a big bit there. Got it? That's it.
Oh, doing quite well, aren't they?
That's enough, is it? Or do we want
well, that other one over the other side wants some more.
That's what I mean. They normally have like 4 little bits. Right. There's more. Hey. Oh, little chirpy chirps. Get this other one just a little bit more because it's slightly smaller than the other one. Come on in. Come in.
I think you might have had enough. Oh, no. There we go.
There we go. See if you might want, if I do want any bit more, I don't know. And smell or not? No? Yes, I was going to say, you normally get on for 4 little bits at the moment. Come on in, have a bit more. Come on. That's better. Good, boys and girls or whatever.
Don't think it'd take any more.
No, like I say, they've had...
Be all right for about another half hour, 20 minutes, wouldn't they?
Probably 15 at the moment because they've not long. They've had a nice sleep, haven't they? Look how they're getting quite a lot, little tail feathers.
Still ain't got their eyes open yet, have they?
No. This one you can just see them sort of slightly... Not be too long. They grow at such a rapid rate. You can really see their feathers to what they were. And let's see, this one is slightly behind. It's slightly smaller, that one.
Yeah, but it's catching up.
It'll catch up.